And yun nga, kasama ko ang aking taga-Uganda na classmate. And we're going to one farm. Yeah, and just Kuya Joshua Tajo.
Hello, shout out.
Yeah, so yan, pupunta kami sa isang farm na aquaculture. And so saan ako mag-stay? Wala na bang iba dyan? Dito na lang. Bro, can I share? It's okay? Say hi to my vlog. Lang muna, kasi mantitrip pa tayo. Ano ka niya diyan nyo? Kaya pa muna nyo, no? Ate? Baw! Baw! Ay, Dabartes! Dabartes lang siya. Bawang! Ay, hindi nga party bawang. Chris Farm. Poblasyon. Sino ko ya? Saan ka punta?
Mount Hermon.
Hermon, Israel?
Oh, Israel.
Bas dati nung.
Sige, NC. NC, ano daw?
Kanan daw.
Bias pala.
Tara ako bigyan Maning. Maning, wala akong kumagwata kay Maning. Anong Maning? Saba? Hindi na kong dito sa barangay. Saba? Sa likod. Eh, so 50 kami nagbayad 50 tayo, 50. Where are you from, bro? Where are you from? From Laos. From Laos? Ganda yung nagkapunan eh. Pasagar na dalon yun di Laos na parana.
Lao PDR.
Oh, bro! Awanan! Sige, ganda pa. Ganda na sukliyaw. Kaya sige, ganda pa. Ako po si Juan Fernando Cariaga.
Ano paki ko? Oh, tang ina mo.
Hindi ako masamang tao. Humingi pa ako ng tulong.
Anilo Mivin Pilipinit. Ibrit.
Brett?
Hebrew.
Thanks.
Tampong libo! Sa
Kuya. 20 pesos, kuya. Ay. Humingi po ako ng tulong. Kasi po, yung dream shoes ko po na J1, hindi ko po makuha eh. Magpa 5 years na po. Ito lang po yung meron ho ako. Kasi malapit na po yung liga namin. Eh, wala po ako magamit. Kaya,
Di totoo yan. Bola lang yan.
mabuhay ka. So ayun, pupunta na kami sa Mount Hermon na sa isang aquaculture farm.
Okay.
And kasama ko, and lahat ng mga kasama natin, mixed nationalities na to. May mga taga-Uganda, Tanzania, Laos, Cambodia, and everything. So, ayun, kilala nyo naman ako. Magaling ako man-trip, makulit. So hanggang dyan lang. Salamat sa panonood at pupunta na tayo sa ating session. Bagus, love you all. Say hi, Fernando.
So these are my classmates, guys, from Uganda, Ghana, Thailand.
Yeah, boy.
Uganda!
Uganda boys. Tanzania? Tanzanian, yeah. Oh,
Yeah! Cambodia!
Cambodia, Phnom Penh.
Tanzania! Huwag ka malikot.
Cambodia.
Yeah, come on.
And some boys from Cambodia.
Come on.
This one is from Bhutan.
Learn about our farm, but like I'm always asking every group that is coming is where are you guys coming from? So, and I will show you the place today, and we're really happy that you're here. like the letter C. But anyway, we grow this about 80 tons a year, approximately 80 tons a year, very, very carefully. And after we are cleaning the water, we are transferring the water meters from here. So what we are doing is that we have on the shore, we have a coastal well. We are pumping water, only water, no seaweed. Pumping the water, transferring the water under the highway, inside the land, okay? It's 1 kilometer, 300 meter of pipe, huge pipe. And at the end of the day, it goes all the way into the big tank. If someone saw when you got in the gate, there is it's a circle tank, very big one, with the Sikura, hell from the sea.
So ayun, papunta na kami sa big tank dito sa Kwan. Anong kanto? Sikura, right? Sikura, which is yung mga ginugrow nila dito. It's yung mga seaweed. Yeah. O ayan. Nakasama namin. Ayan, the story of the sea. Ayan, may mga fish din sila dito. Ayan. I think it's a piranha. So ayan, nandito na kami sa sa surroundings ng Sikura Farm.
Ako na isa.
And dyan, papasok na kami sa papasok na kami sa farm nila. And this is where came from again? Laos. From Laos. Laos, yeah, Laos. And dito, makikita niyo yung mga ito nga pala nila. Kikita yung mga green na yan. Yan yung mga seaweeds na sinasabi nila. And this one is medyo malalaki na. And dito, mas malaki na sila.
Why? Because the seaweed is doing a photosynthesis, okay? And then it don't consume oxygen, it produces oxygen.
So yung ginagamit nilang tubig dito is tubig dagat. Medyo malayo yung dagat dito pero sabi ng nagtuturo dito na may big pipe sila na pinanggagalingan ng seawater.
We're adding air inside the tanks because of fluid. The first reason is that one can
Ayan. Sa part na to, yung part na ayan is yung mga mas malalaki na. Yung ready to harvest na to, mga 1 week. Ganun. Or inaantay na lang nila. So punta tayo dito, malapit siya nagtuturo.
We need the sea from the water from the sea, and we need the sun. The sun is actually the food of the seaweed. So we want to take the seaweed higher, as much as higher as we can, so we can get a lot of sun. As much as you get. Let's stand over here. The secret of the place, but we have a business. I'm telling you the secret and you keep the secret.
Oh, okay.
Is it a good business?
Yes, of course.
I can count on you?
Yeah.
Okay. So now I can take my hand, put it inside. Everybody be ready. Because I'm looking for the best one, you know?
Wow. The big one?
The best one.
Okay.
Okay, you guys are ready?
Yeah.
Give
Choose
me
the big
3, 2,
one.
1.
There's free food?
Give me 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
Wow. Take
so fresh.
This is about maybe the second or the third week of the grow, okay? We can see it takes its texture, it takes its chlorophyll, okay? And it's concentrating with all what you have inside. But how we can make it grow so fast at very high level? That's the reason that we are starting with 3, 4, 5 kilos, and after 6 weeks we are growing, and we have 100 kilos. Now, thinking about it, if they are so much growing and so fast, we can have a very big challenge. Targeting for 100%.
It's double it. Yeah.
Yeah. But I can't stand here the whole day long for 8 hours, you know.
Yeah.
I got some other things to do at my work. So listen up very carefully. Maybe we'll take one from here, okay? I'm gonna pick another leaf. Okay. That's a nice one.
Oh, a big one.
Now what I want to ask you to help me a little bit is please take a very careful look inside the seaweed and tell me what you see inside.
A hole.
A hole. You see the holes?
Yeah.
There are a lot of little holes. You see?
Yeah, little holes right there.
You can take a picture. Now, if there are holes inside the seaweed, then who visited here last night? The mouse?
Maybe.
Hopefully not, because we can close the business. Not mouse and not a cat. This one goes to the kitchen, goes to any dish you can imagine. If it's soup, or if it's a salad, or
Just call me Pauline.
Pauline. Okay, Pauline. You're gonna taste our seaweed first from everybody.
What?
Okay?
What?
You're gonna taste
Okay.
our seaweed.
That's interesting.
Okay.
Sana
you
makakas ka
ready?
ng buhay.
I am ready.
Woo!
I'm going to squeeze it.
Yeah.
Just a little.
Mama you.
Okay, now we can try it.
Watch and learn, everyone.
Wait.
How's the taste? I want to embrace the silence.
Tang-ina mo, walang ganon.
Delicioso, signore. Not even saying delicious.
So, again, I'm sorry. You deserve it.
Yes.
What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this one just in the middle of the table. Everyone can try. You have coffee and milk over there. And if someone wants to buy anything, we have it on the shelves. And you want to bring you more seaweed? Yeah. So I'll put it in the middle, and I'm gonna bring you more seaweed from the fresh one. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you guys for coming. I hope you have learned.
Thank you. We enjoy it a lot.
And have a great day. Okay.
Hi, sir. Yeah, to my vlog. Hi, sir. He's the owner of this farm, and he's giving a lot of seaweed here, and we enjoy it. I love it, and it's fresh and nutritious. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Okay. Okay. How does it taste? How does it taste? How does it taste? How does it taste? Delicioso, signore.
How does it taste?
Bro, how does it taste?
So nice.
So nice.
Damn. But I think this one is better.
Why like this? Bro, it's nice.
Baso ba? Uy, baso ba kinain ko na yung
It's good, right?
Sorry.
Picture.
Nice, bro. It's nice.
Bro, tingnan mo kasi yung seaweed. Try mo tol, try nyo. What? 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 Any comment?
Walang kanin?
Lasang lumot.
Masarap siya. So hanggang dyan lang kasi sa full storage na ako. So, dyan lang muna. So, ayun, patapos na. And pauwi na rin kami. And yun, napipicture-picture na dito sa Sikura. So, yun yung mga kasama natin, no?
Better all us here take a picture here.
Yeah, bro, say hi. So, yun yung bus namin. Dito yung bus namin, hindi. Picture-picture na dito. Yung mga kasama ko, hey, say hi! This is gonna be the vlog. First vlog of first trip. So ayan, may picture na. And umaya, uwi na kami.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't.
And last but not the least, oh my god. Okay.
Talk to teacher.
What?
10 minutes to go to the sea.
10 minutes?
For 10 minutes, only 10 minutes. Just talk to the teacher.
No, he doesn't want to. And I'm going to end this vlog with you, okay? So what's your name again?
Shafi.
Shafil.
Yes.
This is Shafil, and I'm going to end this vlog with Shafil. And Shafil,
Yes.
I promise you, you're going to see this vlog after 2 years, after this training, you know? So hanggang dyan lang. Salamat sa panonood. Oh,